And we have a rainbow here in the Redding area, Berks County, just southeast of the city of Redding. And I think you can see that. Light rain, 61 degrees. Cooking some bone-in chicken thighs on the charcoal grill. Let's get over here and look at it. There's the sun. Here's the grill over here. Let's take a look at this grill. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that smoke. Or as they say here in southeast Pennsylvania and South Jersey, smoke. Look at that smoke. Let's see what's under that grill. A medley of circle of chicken thighs. And there's the rainbow. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. To all the great moms out there, we are appreciative.